Hey, this is Frank. This is a 2011 Mazda 3. It's a four-door sedan. The car is here because the door lock switches are not working, or they're not working consistently. And this is true on both sides, the driver's side shown here, and also the passenger side. So the locks work when we use the fob, the remote. And this leads us to suspect that the problem is not with the door locks themselves, it's a problem with these switches. I've got two replacement switches right here, one for the driver door and the other for the passenger door. They're different. I'll include links to these switches in the video description. Keep watching and I'll show you how to replace these switches in the door. The first step is to use a small screwdriver and pop this inside cover out. It can be a little bit stubborn, but it'll pop out eventually. So behind it there is a Phillips head screw that you're going to remove. So with the Phillips head screw removed, this screwdriver comes back and we can pop this entire little panel out. Just like that. Now the back is connected to the cable that goes to the door lock, but we just need to get behind here to get to two screws that hold the switch in place on the panel. I'm going to use this little 90-degree screwdriver. This allows me to get behind the panel and remove the two screws top and bottom without having to remove the entire door panel. It just saves a lot of time. These are the two little screws, and the switch comes out from the door. All we have to do is disconnect it from the harness. Old switch on the right, new switch on the left. Don't want to mix these up. Let's put the new one in and test it. I think you can hear the doors locking and unlocking, so this switch is working perfectly. We're going to do the same on the passenger side. And with the door handle panel popped back into place, it's still working perfectly. So we're good to go. There is a method for taking this switch apart and attempting a repair. Let me show you. The switch can be pried apart, again using one of these small screwdrivers, and then you see these gold contacts here. You can try to scratch them up and clean them, again using the small screwdriver. And when you do that, the switch may work again temporarily and inconsistently. So if you ask me, that method of repair, this method of repair here of cleaning the contacts, is for the birds. So there, the passenger side is now done. And how is it that the switches on both sides stopped working? Well, okay, let's explain. This car changed ownership recently, and when the new owner got it, neither switch was working. And it's possible that over time with the previous owner, first one switch failed and then the other, and they never got around to fixing either one, and eventually they sold the car. This is the kind of thing that happens, and coincidentally, they also reported that the rear door on the passenger side did not open at all from the inside, and all it was the child lock. Okay, so you never know with some of these people. In case you never knew about it, this little button right here on the inside of the rear door is the child lock. You put it in this position, there's no way to open the door from the inside. This means that your kids cannot jump out of the car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.